Okay, so this is my shuttle. It is a 1999 Ford Econoline E450 Super. That is a mouthful. I'm going to give you a quick tour. Here she is. So I found this shuttle on Marketplace. You can see that the conversion process kind of had started. So the guy that owned this before took the seats out, started with the flooring, took out the ceiling. So he was going to convert it into an RV, got sick, wasn't able to, and then I bought it from him. So the process has kind of been started, but there's still so much to do. I'm super excited to start this conversion process. My dad and I are actually taking on this project together. He was super excited to help me with it. So I'm really excited. We don't really know what we're doing, but we will figure it out as we go. It's just really cool to see where it's at now, the visions I have in my head, which I'm trying to keep them loose because I hear that most of the time when you have a vision, it's going to alter a little bit because things don't always go as planned. So we'll see. Now, there's so much to be done, but I'm going to enjoy the process, and I'm excited to see where it goes. So I plan to document this whole process. We'll see. I say that now. Maybe I'll get annoyed with it midway through, but I'm planning to document the process. So if you're at all interested, make sure you subscribe or just stay tuned, because each step of the way, I'll be adding a new video. Here she is.